Let's catch some dinner. All right, it's a little windy today. We're casting out 4 traps. In each trap, I just have a chicken thigh bone in and skin on, as well as a piece of salmon. Look how beautiful the ocean is. I live in such a beautiful place. Let's start grabbing. All traps are out. Now we just wait. I'm using Steve's selfie stick to hold my phone right now, and I feel like it may go for a swim today, so hopefully it wasn't too expensive, but let's pray. We've been down here about 2 hours, and it is pouring rain now. This trap feels heavy. It's either a lot of seaweed or crabs. I got a whole bucket full. But these are all baby crabs, and they have to go back. They have to be a certain size, plus you would never want to keep them this size anyways. They are way too small. I'll show you guys. That is a female. You see how she has like a round belly under my fingers there? It's a round, and it's also a Dungeness. Guys, not only did I catch the biggest rock crab I've ever seen, we caught Patrick. Oh, you poor little guy. We got to get him back into the water. Look at the size of that big boy. We get to keep him. Patrick has to go back. Just pulled up a hole. Look at the size of that rock crab. He's coming home. That one's okay size too, but we'll let him go back. Look at the size of that rock crab. That is a huge. We did pretty good today. Sadly, only one Dungeness and the rest were all rock crabs.